If you're like me and you bought a 2.4 cubic foot portable washing machine and you want to know how much laundry can fit in it, this is your answer. This is a load of laundry that I had just taken out of it, and we're going to put it back in. As you can see here from the top, there is no agitator in this washing machine, so you get a little bit more room. Over here, when you turn this on, you can have water level 8. So really, like everything else, it depends. But when it's on water level 8, we can fit one full-size hoodie, one light hoodie, 2 t-shirts, 2 sweatpants, 1 pair of jeans. See, these are still wet from the last wash. 2 pair boxers, 3 socks, and 2 towels. There are 3 towels, but I think I had overpacked this when I washed it last. All that you would need now, if you were to wash this again, some high efficiency soap. Don't take my word. Let's go. As you can see, I probably overfilled this a little bit because the water's not actually submerging it, but it does splash around nicely.